in today's video, we are going to be installing Windows 10 RTM, aka the Windows 10 Release and Manufactured Update on an actual system. So you guys can see that, well, I'm running Windows 10 RTM at the moment, but it's only just because, well, it's Halloween and I just wanted to use it for a day, and actually I'm going to be upgrading this tomorrow. So I'm going to just be installing Windows 10 RTM on another system I have, just because I thought I'd do this for a Halloween special, as I have nothing else to do since I don't want to go trick-or-treating this year. But anyways, let's just move on with the video. So we're going to download a fresh copy of the Windows, well, we already have a copy, but I think this might be outdated. It might tell us. It would probably tell us. So we're going to run it, and I made this isolated folder to put the stuff in. So actually we need to download Rufus. And the reason why I have Clover is because and I don't like the newer version because I can't even understand it. So because it's like another language, so I had to install the version 3. So anyways, so I'm going to go with the Windows 10 version 1507. Gonna go Home or Pro, yeah. Which, alright, so we're going to do English, confirm. Alright, we're gonna download the 64-bit since the system I have will actually work with 64-bit, but I mean, like I said, I'm just doing it on another computer. And yes, this is my main system. It is my main system that I've been recording all my videos on. Is the Dell XPS 87,000. And so, yeah, but pretty much we're just gonna let this download, and I will come back when this is downloaded. So yeah. Okay, so it's done. So I don't know why it says 3.79 when it's 3.80. I don't know, but it's close enough. Whatever. So we're just letting it copy. And I don't know why, but I was just trying to find a name to name the folder. So just I'm just trying to separate it from other stuff. So here we go. We have the Windows 10 RTM ISO. There we go. I just grabbed the update I had downloaded. So I'm using the update I have downloaded. I have Rufus. I have the driver for the system. So we're actually gonna open up Rufus. Yes, I want to run it. I need to grab my USB. I can't scratch up my computer, but I can always scratch up this thing. So we are going to need to make an MBR, since the computer I'm going to be installing it on is non-UEFI. So I'm just going to name it Win 10 RTM 64 MBR and TFS, just so I know what Windows 10 version it is and what architecture and what. Well, I probably know it's on TFS, but because I can make a GPT and I'd get confused. So we're just gonna name it that, and you can delete the Windows 8.1 that's already on it that I used today to install that. So there we go. Yeah, by the way, I'm not recording on my main drive, which is usually what I record on, but since, you know, it's Halloween, like today is Halloween. See, you can see down here it's 10/31/20. So I'm probably gonna have to edit it on my laptop, which I probably will. And I think I'm gonna have to use Windows Movie Maker, since my laptop doesn't have good enough video memory to run DaVinci Resolve. So that's probably why this video looks like crap. Is because I'm using DaVinci Resolve probably on my laptop, since I don't feel like just editing on here. And my laptop already has 20H2, so I'd rather use something up to date to edit on, and in case I have compatibility issues, which I might not, but just be on the safe side, I'm just gonna edit on my laptop using DaVinci Movie Maker, because my laptop only has 64 megabytes of video memory. So yeah, and on this one, I even have issues. I had to close everything out one day just to make, like, part of the intro you saw was actually made on this computer. So yeah, it was made on this computer with DaVinci Resolve, and also with Wallpaper Engine. So not sponsored, but yeah. But anyways, I'm just gonna let this make the USB. And it's also, I don't know why, but like this computer with the USB ports, it's, even if okay, like if it's a USB 3.0 backup drive and you plug it into a USB 3.0 port, it does like 100 megabits per second, I think, which that's like the best that you can get out of this by using a hard drive, so, or an SSD, whatever. But yeah, the USB ports are just trash on this computer, and so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna pause the video, and we are going to then, I'm actually gonna stop it, and I'm gonna pull out the computer and a charger, and we'll install it. So I will be back. Okay guys, the USB is done. We can close it now. We can close that. We're going to eject it. So there's the USB. So here's the mouse I have for this computer. This is the computer we're gonna be installing on. I do have another one which is behind me. So I plugged into the USB port. We're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna go F12. So let's go F12. We're gonna go USB storage. We're gonna spam a key to boot. There we go. Well, it might. Yep, it's blinking, so it's booting. Hopefully. So there is the trackpad, but I just don't like it. It's sticky, so so yeah. I just prefer using a mouse. That's just my preference. So there we go. We're going to do Shift F10 to get a command prompt. We're going to do disk port. I'm just going to set it down. So there's disk port. So there we go. It's loaded. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So I did list disks to list all the disks. The USB counts, and if you have like SD card readers, sometimes it'll show that. I don't know, but it shows our disk 0, which is the internal hard drive, disk 1, which is the USB, and then disk 2 is the SD card reader. I don't know why that shows. Then I said select disk 0, and we're gonna type clean. So there we go. Now it's wiping the drive, and you can do clean all, but it take way longer. So we're going to close that out. Gonna go next. I'm going to install now. So once asked for for a product key. This computer already has. Okay, so here's the problem. This computer has both a Windows 10 Pro and Home license, so I should. Okay, I gotta have a quick debate of if I want to install Home Pro. I'm just gonna go with Home since I already have Pro on this one. So just try. I mean, there's nothing really as fancy I'm gonna do. So we're going to accept that agreement. We're gonna go custom. We can hit new. I'm just gonna click next. It already does the new thing. And so there we go. So that's what I forgot to put on was the driver and the yeah. But I can do that later. I can grab another USB if needed. But there should be enough space to pull the driver in the update. But I think I'm just gonna make this video quick. So yeah. But I'm probably not even gonna show me installing the updated driver, cause it's pretty simple. So I'm pretty sure you might know how to do it. It's just you run the driver and then yeah. So I'll be back once that out-of-box experience was set up. So I will be back. So I'm just gonna show this because, well, so it rebooted from the setup, so it did all the game browser for installation, and this hopefully won't take that long, at least 10 minutes. So I don't know why, but it seems that the older versions of Windows don't take as long to get past from the next part of setup, but like 20 or 4 and whatever. I mean, like RTM does at the getting ready part on these older systems. Actually, yeah. But yeah, I don't know. But just gonna zoom in there. I don't know why it's just doing that. Oh, there we go. Getting devices ready. And no, this is not booted off of Windows to Go. This is not Windows to Go. This is a real hard drive. And this is a live install on an actual drive, not a Windows to Go. There's the hard drive right there. I don't know why, but the plastic piece that goes right here broke. So that's why it's not here. Or otherwise there'd be a plastic piece right here. There's a hard drive in here. So yeah, and it's a pain to get out. Like I have to use the flathead of a screwdriver just to pop out the drive. But so we're getting ready. I will come back when it restarts. So yeah, I'll be back. So focus camera. Focus. Okay. I don't know why, but my 6S didn't like to focus either. It doesn't. But I don't know why, but my 6S just doesn't like to focus. But it rebooted and so we're booting into the out-of-box experience now. Out-of-box experience. Ugh, I can't even say that correctly. So just gonna give it like a minute just to show us it. I think we might have all seen it before, so you might have not. It depends. And there we go. Here's the out-of-box experience on Windows 10 RTM. I'm gonna do this later. Even though this computer does have a Windows 10 Pro and Home license, so it should let us. So have it on 8 times zoom. I think maybe the S9 Plus has maybe 16 times zoom. I don't know. But I guess I can just get closer. I don't know why, but I just like to play with the zoom sometimes. So, sorry for the shaky camera. I should probably get like a tripod or capture card. Should I basically have a tripod? So, there we go. I'm just gonna name it. I don't know. What should I do? I'm just gonna do Zach local. Since I might put this on my domain up here for yeah. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do it like that. Cause I may upgrade it to Windows 10 Pro and cause I do have a Windows 10 Pro license on on the motherboard. Cause I guess of hardware IDs it keeps it in mind. So it reactivates when it detects all the hardware. So I think I just need like a generic key and put into the upgrade thing. Maybe when I update this to 24 whatever, I might just do like a fresh install and have a copy with no bloat. So I'm only keeping this for a day, so I'm not even probably not even gonna have it for a full day. I don't know if I'm gonna stay up all night. Maybe just to get this video edited and uploaded. So we are so I'm gonna have to get the footage off of here. I need to find my USB-C cord. So I don't know where any of my stuff is anymore. I just misplace stuff all the time. But we're going through, I guess this is also called out-of-box stealing still, but like from the like more of the setup, I would say, setup wise, more than out-of-box experience. So once we get to the desktop, I'm just going to show you guys Winver, and then I'm just going to stop the video, as I'm just going to install drivers and install the update, which I don't even know if I'm going to do the update because it's just going to take forever, and maybe I'll do it while I'm editing the video, but I don't know, because with the display adapter on here, it's stupid. I guess I will show installing the driver, but I have to get it on this USB, and we'll just like show the there we go. Let's start. Yay! Not. I'm like, bruh. Who even invented bruh? I want to talk to them. Nah. Just kidding. Well, if you invented the bruh, please talk to me. And if you're watching. So we unplug the USB. I'm going to go Windows 10 RTM. I'm going to go to ZTP, and we're going to take this and this. We're going to copy it to here. There we go. This is gonna take a little while, but I will be back once this is copied. Okay guys, so I got the update and the driver on the USB. Come on, get in there. There, alright. This sometimes is a pain. Oh look, we got OneDrive, bruh. I meant ew. Whatever, anymore. Alright, I'm going to, and I'll get the update afterwards. So, I'm gonna go yes. We'll continue. Okay, yes. Now if I destroy the install on Halloween, I might get haunted. So I can't destroy it till tomorrow. Well, I won't be, well, I shouldn't be haunted. Hopefully I don't. I think people might freak out that I'm playing RTM. People are really freaked out that I'm already running RTM on here. I mean, it's not my main drive, so not even on UEFI. So I'm on MBR, not GPT. So my main install's on GPT. So yeah. Alright. So I'll reboot after the update. We can throw that away. We can actually delete the Dell folder, which has just extract and stuff, but we don't need that anymore. I like to have the checkboxes. It's just easier to get stuff. We're going to copy the update. Can expand that. So there we go. I mean, that's I'd say quicker than my desktop's USB speeds. Which is kind of sad because this computer is actually a little bit older. Yet it does faster USB copying speeds. And yes, this is like, I want to say from like 2008, I want to say from like 2008, very late 2007. Because this computer does have a Windows Vista sticker and a Intel Pentium sticker. And I will show the specs. Give me 1 second. Properties. And these are the specs of the computer. So we are running Windows 10 Home. It's a Intel Pentium dual core CPU T4200. Now my other one has a T4300 at, this one's at 2 gigahertz and the other one's at 2.1. They're both 4 gigabytes of RAM. The other one has an 8 gigabyte hard drive, but actually the original came with 500 gig. This came with a 320, which actually the drive that's in that originally came with this. I think it was a 320. Well, when my grandpa gave it to me, he gave it to me with a 320, and it's failing, but it's in my server right now, being ran out from my server drive, well, my Windows Server installation, and then the other drive I'm using for my server also, but to store files so I can access on pretty much any computer. That's when, well, basically every computer that's Windows based. So yeah, so, and this right now has a 250 gigabyte drive that actually I took out of a compact laptop, I want to say, yeah, over a year ago. Probably sometime in March, I want to say. I was on spring break and I decided to take the hard drive out of it and take it for parts. So as I feel kind of stupid now that why I didn't just like unhook the keyboard, which I think that's all it needed, because it's just keyboard was being stupid and it was like spamming keys. So yes, we want to install the update, but yeah, it was like spamming keys, so I took the hard drive out of it. It's been through a lot, so it's right now on this computer, and then an 8 gigabyte hard drive, because I upgraded another computer to an SSD, and yeah, so I didn't have another drive, so I just had to put that in, which kind of sucks because like these computers don't support SSDs. I tried, but like if I were to put one in the DVD drive, it will work. I can get like a SATA to DVD caddy thing and use that, but like the system reserved would have to be stored on a hard drive and won't detect it. So yeah, it's kind of a pain. So Yeah, but well, that's how stuff works. And the other one, which I kind of took it for post, but like, it's not really for post, but it just doesn't have the CD drive because I somehow bent it too much, and I was about to bend this one and couldn't get the CD drive in, and it was just because I was trying to, I think, replace the drive, or I don't know, but I somehow bent it on the other one, so I can't even put the CD drive in. So basically, it will just ask me to restore it. I'll restore it, probably then get it all activated, delete the update service because probably not. Maybe tomorrow I'll update this to 20H2, or I'm just gonna destroy the install something different. I don't know. But basically, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, put a like, get subscribed, and turn on the bell so you guys will receive new notifications on when I upload new videos. And also share, comment, and like. So, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye for now.